Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon and never miss another update from Almighty Java. In this video, we will see how to delete data using React and Redux. So if you have not watched the previous video, then please watch it. Before going further, let's quickly demo whatever we implemented till now. See here, delete is working, but it is deleting using React. And here, one more important thing we need to handle. So the scenario is like after delete book list is not refreshing. Before implementing the delete functionality, one simple thing I just want to change. So let's open the bookreducer.js file. Here you can see we have created three cases like save, fetch and update. So instead of three cases, let's merge them using the OR operator. See, it is looking perfect. Now let's check, is everything working fine or not? See, everything is working fine. Now let's add delete related changes. So first, let's open all the required files. Like save, fetch and update. Let's add one more type for delete. Here, first, let's import delete book request. So like fetch or update book request, create methods for delete also. Now let's add required changes in all the places. That's it, changes are done. Now let's add required changes in book reducer file. Here also, first let's import delete book request. Like these three, let's add delete book request also. And that's it, Redux related changes are done. Now let's add changes in book list file. Let's open book.js file so we can easily copy the required code. Let's copy the import. Here, import the delete book method. Remove export default from here and use at the end. Now let's create two constants like map stake to props and map dispatch to props. Here, using connect function, let's pass both the constants. Now let's call delete book method of book action in map dispatch to props. Okay, so these changes are done. Now let's add required changes in delete book method. First, let's comment the Axios related code. Now call delete book method using prop. So this is an asynchronous call. So we need to add toast related code inside set timeout function. Here, let's use response code as well. Here, replace this response.data to the props.book object. And here, one more thing we need to change. So instead of modifying the state, let's call the find all books method. Now changes are done. Let's test delete functionality is working or not. Let's reload the page. See, delete is working fine and book list also refreshing. So now delete is working as per the expectation. Let's quickly review whatever changes we added till now. Okay, so here one issue also I am going to fix. So issue is like, if you observe, sort and up down both are working but not properly. So let's fix this. Let's refresh. So here icon should be down but it is showing up. So let's reverse the icons. So change the up to down and down to up. Now you can see it is showing the correct one. But when I click on the price, icon is changing, but sort is not happening at the very first time. It is working, but on the second click. But because of the second click, again icon is not matching with the current sort. Actually, this is happening because of the get request call. So here also we need to add timeout related code. That's it. Try now. See, it is working. So instead of 1000, change it to 500. See, now also it is working fine. Pagination also working. Even when I search, then also it is working fine. I hope these changes are clear for you. I checked in my changes. I will show you from where you can find these. So let's open our GitHub page. Here is the repository. Here are the changes. I hope this video is helpful for you, and that's it for this video. Please like and share this video. Subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.